Christmas gift idea. Okay.
Christmas gift ideas with Kawa.
Yeah. So this is, not Bandai. Hasegawa.
Hasegawa. You're
Hasegawa.
anti-Bandai today.
Yeah, no Bandai. Yeah. It's a 1/5 35th scale. It's called MechatroWeGo. So these kind of robots.
You're making that up. MechatroWeGo.
Yeah, MechatroWeGo. Yeah.
Sorry, I said it with the Australian accent. Did I say it wrong?
yeah.
It sounds way nicer when you say it.
That's a limited edition, so it's like collaborating with some very famous Japanese artists. For example, this one is collaborating with Keiichi, is a manga artist.
Manga artist.
Yeah, and
you're gonna be a manga artist soon.
Animation artist, but close, but not just
different.
Yeah. And the cover art is specially drawn for this kid. As you can see, the Hasegawa's original design robots are very like blending with
humans,
with the characters from Keiichi's most famous manga characters, like from Nichijou. Nichijou means my ordinary life.
Your ordinary life.
Yeah, that's manga's name. Yeah, and it's a very Hasegawa has another series of fictional robots called Machine Gun Krieger. Yeah, that ones. Those ones are like requires more like higher skill level. Like you need to at least use glue and paints to put everything together.
You really need to be a really good painter to bring them to life.
Right. But these ones, like most of the Wego, is pre-colored.
Pre-colored as well?
Yeah, pre-colored. And plus pre-colored. It has two Wegos in one kit. Okay.
So there's two kits in there?
Yeah, two kits in there.
I can see here on the box.
Yeah, it's give you a warm and cool color scheme at the same time. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need to choose because
you don't need to choose because you can build them both.
Yeah, correct. And it doesn't require glue. It's a snap fit. And the instruction manual looks like a picture book already, like very fancy.
Very fancy.
Yeah, right. And it only has, I think each of the Wego only has 73 parts to put together, so it's super beginner friendly.
So it's beginner friendly.
Yeah, super beginner friendly. And the cockpit is openable. So, and all the interior details are in there.
So it comes with all this.
Yeah, and all like street figures.
So it comes with the cat.
Yeah.
And the two.
Yeah, and doctor and the high school student.
And the high school student.
Yeah. And it has some swappable accessories for the doctor.
Like a radio control.
Yeah, sort of. Yeah. Very cute.
Very cute.
And I think in all, this is the most playable kit in all the Wego series.
In all the Wego series.
Yeah, in all the Wegos. And
it's showing the kids building them or taking them apart. What are they doing?
It seems like they're building them. Yeah.
Yeah, they're not destroying them, surely. They're friends.
Probably. And that's the special stickers, for decoration. It's not a part of the
kit.
Yeah, but these ones are specially designed by Keiichi, the manga artist. He designed the decal for the Wegos in this kit. Yeah.
And this is water slide.
Yeah, water slide.
Water slide decals.
Yeah, water slide decals.
Nice.
Yeah.
And you got two. That's why there's two parts bags, right?
Yeah. Correct. Yeah, very nice. If you want to try some easy kit, except not from Bandai.
Not from Bandai.
Yeah, no Bandai.
No Bandai today.
No Bandai today. So that could be a good choice.
Well, we better have some Bandai next week.
Yeah. I'll show you more Bandai. Yeah.